come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try. Or what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say, what if I told you you took my breath away?
And Emil Banksy, first off roll at 2 minutes. Aiden Powers, first on roll.
Sila Chinesa ngayon.
Yeah, what if I told you you took my...
Hello everyone, welcome back here at home. I hope and I pray that everyone is doing well and in a good health. It's officially summer. Here we are having a week of rainy days now
No pain.
here at Southwest Virginia. As it is, blessings for watering my garden, and also the warmer weather helps changing the growth in the garden. The lush of trees around the property is fully green, and the summer blooms are already took over. Here I am making mussels tinola, and this is the greens, the vegetables that I'm going to put in there. And yeah, so this is a very easy Filipino dish. So I did a sauteed garlic, onion, and also tomatoes and ginger. And I also add the lemongrass, which is I removed already since it started boiling. And now I'm just finishing it. So I season it with salt and pepper. Hello everyone, we are here at the school field. It is the end of school year and today is my daughter's graduation in high school. Very early. Yeah, we are here to watch her graduation. Here you go guys, last night I made a bouquet for my daughter, so I put little money on it, little chocolate, flowers with balloons, and a little penguin, graduate penguin. There you go. And I got one here too for her BFF.
He's here?
I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face like the way you look at me. 'Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, 'cause you were friends since you were kids and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, 'cause they all got a little bit of history. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry, my mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? The last one. I've heard stories about exes calling up brides on their wedding day, confessing all the love from a once upon a time that they threw. And the fear that I'm fighting is constantly rising in the back of my mind. Is that you'll finally open up your eyes, that you'll leave me for another guy. Yeah, it's a scary truth that maybe I don't know you in the way they do. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it?
Congratulations, Mom.
Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scary, 'cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me that I got no real reason to worry, my mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm
You
just
guys, they
asking,
let go
do you
the
think I'm
balloons
gonna be the last
earlier.
one?
That's for the kid that's supposed to graduate this year. Sadly, he passed away.
Baby, the hardest part
So
is fighting
that
back
was
the
very,
stages
very sad.
I am
So there you go guys, the graduation is done. And I don't know, we are planning to go for a dinner. And we still can't decide where we're gonna go. So, yeah.
Don't you know that fashion over?
Here you go guys. Everybody is leaving.
I know. Sometimes I gotta remind myself. Take time. Find the light in your eyes, fantasize that we're somewhere else. We're breaking out of the middle, we're flying fast like a missile. Can we hold on? Take time. Find the light in your eyes, fantasize that we're somewhere else. We're breaking out of the middle, we're flying fast like a missile. Where do we go now? I wanna let my hair down. I wanna scream a little tonight. I wanna sit out till the sun comes up.
Ooh, that looks nice. Let's do a little bit more in there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
And cheers.
One's good.
Like sweet sour.
Generous. Take it back.
We're breaking out of the middle, we're flying fast like a missile. Can we hold on just a little longer? Where do we go now? I wanna let my hair down. I wanna scream a little too loud. I wanna stay out till the sun comes up and I'm looking at you. And how did we make it out, make it this far? Push the pedal on a runaway car. I wanna stay out till the lungs feel like a baby.
No, I genuinely think.
Is it that like uncomfortable?
The song.
It's like a portal to another dimension.
Like it never even happened. Yeah, no, all socks disappear.
From your auto in living room.
Dessert?
Shortcake, cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake.
She's like awake.
You like that?
Shay, no? You take a bite. Look at the.
You gotta mix the ice cream